Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So let's have this new abstract figure. Discover the principle behind the rows and or columns of a 3x3 square image and determine which of the choices will fit in at the square with the question mark. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, let's attack this problem by looking into the relationship po ng mga rows at saka columns. Because sometimes there are unique instances as to the combination of the rows and columns. So, let's look at the rows, okay, in this manner. Okay, you can see that the first row here has two arcs here. Yung second entry niya is nandito lang sa kabila, and yung pangatlo is dito. When you look into this row as well, we have a cross or intersecting lines. Then we have the horizontal and the vertical. Looking at these two relationship, ano po yung makikita natin na pwedeng i-apply sa pangatlong row? I could see here a sense of removing or deleting a portion of the image or subtraction. From these two, we remove this, so yung natitira, ito na lang. This is also true here. From the cross, we remove the horizontal line. What's left is the vertical line. So following that idea here, so meron tayong ito, this figure here, minus this. So kapag tatanggalin natin siya, okay, so supposedly, we have this one here. We have the cross, curve, and curve. Tatanggalin natin. I'm just going to use this. Pasensya if mahirap, or I mean, my figure is not that accurate. So I'm going to remove the horizontal line, delete that, and this curve here, this one here. So ano po yan titira? Obviously, the answer here is our letter D. So ito po yung relationship na nakita natin by examining the rows. Now, not all the time may relationship yung column at saka row. Pero tingnan natin dito if meron. Pag ating column, in this column here, we have this two and the cross, and we have this combination. Actually, kanina, we subtract dito, we combine. From this cross, we combine these two arcs here and here, we have that, right? This one here, we combine with this, so meron tayong ganito. So basically, following the process here, so you have your vertical line and combine it with this arc, hence yung letter D. But again, a word of caution, not all the time na may relationship on both rows and columns. It depends on your abstract image. But anyway, nevertheless, dito, alam natin yung sagot ay letter D. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!